Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro with deep search enabled. Now this is powerful. We all know how powerful is Gemini 2.5 Pro, but imagine adding deep search to give a report to answer your questions accurately with the best info, with the best resources possible. So it just rolled out, so we're gonna test it. So here, when you in Gemini, you will find this option, deep search with 2.5 Pro. So select it and it will be brought here. So let's give it a question, something to research. So I told it I'm looking to run multiple instances of local LLMs, mainly DeepSeek R1. What kind of a commitment do I need? And I told it to give me a budget summary. So at first it outlined a plan. Now you can go with this plan or you can send a follow-up prompt to change it, modify it. So that's very good, but we'll go with this plan. We start research.
Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you.
And it's going. As you can see, it opens a window and then it will give us the reasoning for every step that it does. So just give it a second to load. See, it's trying to understand the goal, initial module identification, that stuff. It gives us the website it's going to search or already searched. So we let it finish and then we'll be back with the final result. And here we have it, guys. It's done researching. It wrote an entire document. Like this is probably like 15 pages, 10 pages, but it wrote detailed document. And yeah, this will be a powerful tool for anyone like trying to do research on an upcoming project or has any ideas. So test it out, guys, and share your feedback. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.